there's nothing here. Let's see if we can't whistle up something. Hey, check it out, a 1956 Chevy. Oh, and it looks like I was thinking of Christmas because it's red and white. Candy canes, my favorite. Looks like I knew something about engines too. This is for Jess. Whoever made this made a beautiful, beautiful piece of machinery back into. Dang it, I might say it, I'm not a car expert, but it sure does look like mint condition, actually. There might be something I'm missing. Maybe it's a near mint condition, but it is a beauty either way. Enjoy, enjoy, and enjoy. And come back again for more on Willis Talk.